welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at you with an unboxing of a very special collaboration that Loewe did with my neighbor Totoro and Ghibli Studios. And I wanted to start 2021 with this video because this has been highly anticipated. I've been teasing a lot about it on Instagram, on my Instagram. And if you haven't followed me there yet, please follow me. It's Catherine is a cat. I'll put my Instagram name in the description box below. And also, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more handbags, fashion, some beauty mixed in there as well, and I hope you guys enjoy. Long story short, there was, Loewe was doing like an online kind of like a contest where you sign up and you are picked randomly to be able to shop 24 hours before the launch day. So I did that, like, I think it was a little bit before Christmas last year. So, and then on, I think it was like on the day of the pre-sale at like around 6:30 p.m. Toronto, Canada time, I got an email saying that congratulations, you just won the pre-sale, and they sent me a link, and I clicked on the link and I browsed through everything, and so I only was able to get one item because these things sold out really fast, and I was contemplating what one to get, and so I just got one piece. And yeah, and I was so happy, so flattered, but then I read so many people comment on Loewe's Instagram account that the link wasn't working or they were just having a lot of issues. So, but luckily I didn't have any issues, so I'm really grateful for that. But here's the box. Came like so. So I was kind of disappointed. I'm kind of disappointed that Loewe didn't put like the Totoro like shopping bags or like a little sticker or something like that, because in Asia, a lot of people got those. Like, they got even notebooks and shopping bags and stickers and other things, and so I was like, that was really cool. I emailed or I DM'd Loewe personally, and I asked them, does it come with any of that, and they said no. So they just said it just comes with the Loewe box. So I was like, okay, whatever. So yeah, so here is the paperwork. It's a little card, so you can write yourself a little message. So I wrote myself a little message, and it says, try laughing, then whatever scares you will go away. So that's a quote from my neighbor Totoro. So really, I thought it would be really good saying from that movie. So I guess this here is the receipt. So it comes in a little envelope like that. Security sticker. Yeah, and these are just my receipts with the billing address. Yeah, and then just to know how to return if I don't like it. And then just a thank you postcard from Loewe. So I've never bought anything from Loewe, first time ever. And they never really piqued my interest so much because I'm more into like Chanel, Louis Vuitton, and stuff like that. But this collection like stole my heart, so I had to get it. So here's the box, very small. You can see the size of my head, very small. And you just open it like so. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Oh. In the box it has a little card, so Loewe with the Totoro on it. Oh my god, these are the stickers. So it says Loewe and my neighbor Totoro set of stickers. So the stickers here is Totoro, the small Totoro. Oh, and then two dust bunnies, or mini Totoros, I forget what they're called. And then two little dust bunny stickers there. So that's really awesome. I wasn't expecting that. I thought they would not include that in this collection because they told me no shopping bag, so whatever. But that is awesome. And so now here's the dust bag. It's like a linen type dust bag with the Loewe tag on the side here. So to reveal, because I've been really quiet about this and trying not to reveal this on Instagram to anybody actually. So here are, I'll show you these in a minute. Oh my god. So here it is. It's the mini heel bag with the medium-sized Totoro on it. I am so in love with this. Now, usually I don't get this type of color, but because it's Totoro and it has that like Japanese like style vibe to it, I just figured, you know what, I'll pull this off as the best I can. Like, I don't care. I just love this little item so much. So cute. So it has, so what this guy here is, it's not a silkscreen print or anything. It's actually a marquetry, I think it's called. So it's basically, they just cut a whole bunch of leather in pieces and they stick it onto the main piece of the leather. So Loewe has a post of what they mean by marquetry. So there it is, and down here is a tab on the back of the bag, and it's supposed to be like his tail or something. That's like so cute, very well into detail. So you just open it like this. It's a little packaging, and the inside has an embossed Loewe and Studio Ghibli there, and then you have some card slots here. There's 1, 2, 3 card slots in there, and then inside is just all leather. It's just black. So yes, this is gonna be a little bit, oh, it's actually suede inside. Like this side here is suede. It's just a black suede, and then the backing is just the matching yellow calfskin. So yeah, definitely a bag that you take to not long trips or anything, and you don't take a lot of things with it. There's the other paperwork that the bag came in, so it has a little care tag, it looks like. Yeah, so it's just a care tag about, oh no, not care tag, just about Loewe and about My Neighbor Totoro. More care package, like how to take care of your bag. Yeah, product care guide, so that's the product care guide. And then control number. And the authenticity card was just a thin piece of paper, and then just the tag of the item. Yeah, so I wanted more from this collection, and so I contacted a personal shopper. I've never bought anything from a personal shopper, but I've heard so many great reviews about this one. Her name is Momoland_Tokyo. You probably heard like Cassie Thorpe talk about her, and a whole bunch of other influencers talk about her, how they got their items. So she's based in Japan, and she was posting all of the My Neighbor Totoro collaboration stuff. So I asked her if she can get me a couple of these items, and she was great customer service, no hassle, no nothing, very straight to the point, and she got back to me so quick, so fast with every question, and she was very patient. So I came in a FedEx package. I just got rid of I just opened the packaging just so we don't waste time. And here it is. This is like awesome because look, it comes with a shopping bag. I asked Momo if it came with a shopping bag, and she said yes, so super happy about that. So here's item number 1. This looks like the bigger one. So yeah, here it is. Looks like the same kind of care cards. The boxes are really nice. very sturdy. Okay, and it's another little item, same kind of bag, drawstring bag. This time, oh my god, it's so cute. It's the small, extra mini heel bag, and this is another Dust Bunny little guy here. So this one is very tiny. Look, like size, it's like as big as my palm, maybe even smaller, and I have no, it's as big as my palm, and I have really small hands. So yeah, here, oh, and then it has the same little tab here to kind of make it look like it's his tail. And it's just very tiny. Oh my god. It's again the same kind of embossing here, and literally can't really fit much here. Probably just money. That's it. Like, it doesn't expand or anything. It's all leather inside, full on leather, no suede or anything. And yeah, so this here, they on the promo ads, they wore it like a necklace, so really cute. I'm so excited. I don't know how I'm gonna wear this, but probably just as an accessory, and probably to wear it with my little other heel pouch. And then a day passed because she was gonna ship it to me a week after after she got the item for me. I asked her to also pick me up another item, and she was no hassle, no nothing. So she got it for me. Here it is, another item, even a smaller box. Here is the care card, same deal. Reveal. I got the matching card holder in green. Originally I wanted blue, but they didn't have blue anymore. But I got this guy, and it's a green version. So they have like a nice light blue version, just like this card here. So it's the same blue as the care card that they came with. So it's just inside is another care card for the Totoro. Yes, so this is also marquetry. It's definitely not painted on or anything like a Louis Vuitton piece or anything. Loewe is embossed there. Very cute item. This obviously, it's just a card holder, so you have 2 card slots here and 2 card slots in the back, and then 1 main compartment. And this also has the little Ghibli embossing there, and it's all leather. There's no like fabric lining or anything, which is awesome because, well, actually it does, there is fabric lining. So this is just in the second pocket in the front and second pocket in the back, and yeah, they're like that. So really cute pieces. I cannot believe I got these little items. So just to show you what they all look like together. So here are the little pouches, heel pouches. So adorable. The one thing that a lot of people on the Loewe Instagram was complaining about. So here it is, the little bag, little green matching bag. And then it just has the little mini Totoro in the back too, but blown up. And then I saw on Instagram, and I see now, the inside are the little eyes of the black little dust bunnies. And I've seen people just like shine a light through the bag, and then through the bag you can see the little eyes of the dust bunnies. And I thought that was really cool. Oh, and here's the little ribbon as well. So I thought that was really cool. Like, Loewe took such great care in every little detail for this collection. I'm so glad I have 3 things from this collection. I wanted the puzzle bag, but at the same time, I was thinking, you know, I can just get another puzzle bag, like that's not Totoro branded, and just get another like keychain or something that's Loewe, or I can just like put this guy on and use this as like a bag charm because it's really small. I was just thinking, getting them in small little versions is a great little pop of color. And these aren't like super bright and tacky. They're just very simple, beautiful. Like, you can tell this is an art piece. It's very beautiful. And oh yeah, I forgot to mention, this here is a smooth calf skin leather, except for the Totoro. Totoro's blue face here. That's more like a calf grained calf skin. And then the small one here is actually a grained calf skin. And so yeah, everything is just grained calf skin here. The card holder is a smooth, no, actually it's grained as well. So you can see. Yeah, very beautiful. I'm so happy with this collection. And because of this, I went on more of a Loewe craze. So I'm going to shoot a second video, so a part 2 of my Loewe collection, because this video is really, really long. So I hope you guys enjoy this collection. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this collection. And also follow me on Instagram to see more photos of these guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.